The 2026 Honda Civic Standard continues to build on a legacy that drivers across America trust for reliability, efficiency and everyday fun. This latest version brings a clean, modern design with sharper body lines, a wider stance and improved aerodynamics that give the Civic a more confident road presence. The front fascia looks sportier while still keeping the simple Civic identity, making it attractive for students, families and daily commuters alike. Under the hood, the 2026 Honda Civic Standard is powered by a refined four-cylinder engine designed to balance performance and fuel economy. It delivers smooth acceleration for city driving and confident cruising on highways. The continuously variable transmission is tuned for quiet operation and responsive shifts, helping the Civic feel relaxed in traffic yet capable when merging or passing. Fuel efficiency remains one of its strongest points, making it an excellent choice for drivers looking to save money at the pump. Inside the cabin, Honda focuses on comfort, simplicity and smart technology. The interior feels spacious with supportive seats and quality materials for the class. The dashboard layout is clean and user-friendly, featuring a modern infotainment system with a responsive touchscreen. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration come standard, allowing easy access to navigation, music and calls. A digital driver display provides clear driving information without distraction. Safety is a major highlight of the 2026 Honda Civic Standard. Honda includes a full suite of advanced safety features such as collision mitigation, braking, road departure mitigation, adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. These systems work together to help protect passengers and reduce driver stress during daily drives. Whether you are commuting to work or heading out on a weekend trip, the Civic offers peace of mind. On the road, the Civic Standard delivers a smooth and stable ride. Steering feels precise and predictable, giving drivers confidence in city streets and on winding roads. The suspension is tuned for comfort while still maintaining the fun driving character. The Civic is known for road noise as well controlled, making long drives more enjoyable. Overall, the 2026 Honda Civic Standard stands out as a smart, affordable and well-rounded compact sedan. It offers strong value with its combination of modern styling, efficient performance, advanced safety and trusted Honda durability. If you are looking for a dependable car that fits perfectly into everyday American life, the Civic Standard deserves serious consideration. For more updates, reviews and future car launches, make sure to subscribe to USA Car Update 2026 today. The Standard trim also benefits from improved build quality and refined engineering that enhance long-term ownership. Honda engineers focused on reducing vibration and improving cabin insulation, which results in a calmer driving experience. Maintenance costs remain low and resale value stays strong, making this model a practical investment for first-time buyers and long-time Honda fans who appreciate dependable transportation with modern convenience across different driving conditions and ownership stages. Throughout many years of confident, enjoyable daily use, nationwide reliability.